The Indian Navy has always sought to be a dominant force in the Indian Ocean. Among these is the INS Rana, a Rajput-class guided missile destroyer. Commissioned in 1982, INS Rana represents the valor of Rajput warriors. Built in the Soviet Union, it was originally named Marshal Zhukov. These warships bolstered the Indian Navy's anti-surface and anti-submarine capabilities. The Rajput class marked a turning point in the Indian Navy's history. INS Rana is a formidable warship by any standard. As a Rajput-class destroyer, she displaces approximately 5,000 tons at full load. This makes her significantly larger than a frigate but smaller than a cruiser. Her overall length is 156.2 meters, with a beam of 17.2 meters and a draft of 4.9 meters. These dimensions provide a stable platform for her diverse array of weapons and sensors, even in rough seas. The ship is powered by a combination of gas turbine and diesel engines in a KOGOG, combined gas or gas arrangement. This system provides a top speed in excess of 30 knots, making her capable of rapid deployment and high-speed intercepts. The destroyer has a range of approximately 4,500 nautical miles at a more economical speed of 18 knots. This endurance allows her to operate independently for extended periods, patrolling vast swathes of the Indian Ocean without frequent refueling. INS Rana can accommodate a crew of approximately 350 officers and sailors. Life on board a warship is demanding, and the crew of INS Rana undergoes rigorous training to operate effectively in challenging conditions. Their duties encompass navigation, weapons handling, engineering, and damage control, among other specialized roles. Modern naval warfare relies heavily on sophisticated sensors and processing systems, and INS Rana is no exception. The heart of her sensor suite is the ELM-2.238 Star radar. This Israeli-made radar system is capable of tracking multiple air and surface targets simultaneously, providing a comprehensive tactical picture to the ship's command crew. The ELM-2.238 Star radar significantly enhances INS Rana's situational awareness, enabling her to detect and engage threats at long ranges. For underwater surveillance and tracking, the destroyer relies on the BL Hamsa sonar system. This Indian-made sonar is adept at detecting and classifying submarines, even in noisy underwater environments. The BL Hamsa sonar is a crucial asset for INS Rana, allowing her to effectively conduct anti-submarine warfare operations. The data from these sensors, along with information received from other platforms, is processed and analyzed by the ship's Advanced Combat Management System. This system fuses the data from various sources into a single, coherent picture. This allows the ship's commanders to make rapid and informed decisions in the heat of battle. INS Rana is a heavily armed warship, equipped to handle a wide range of threats. Her primary offensive weapon system is the BrahMos supersonic cruise missile. This Indo-Russian missile system can engage surface targets at ranges exceeding 290 kilometers, delivering a devastating punch with pinpoint accuracy. The BrahMos missile provides INS Rana with a potent deterrent against enemy warships and land-based targets. For air defense, the destroyer relies on a combination of missile and gun systems. The VLSRSAM, vertical launch, short-range surface-to-air missile system, designed and built in India, provides a layered defense against incoming anti-ship missiles and aircraft. These missiles, launched vertically from canisters, can intercept threats at close range. The AK-630EM Close-In Weapon System, CIWS, acts as the last line of defense. These radar-guided rotary cannons can unleash a devastating barrage of fire, shredding incoming missiles and aircraft at close range. In addition to these missile systems, INS Rana is also armed with two 76.2mm guns, suitable for engaging surface targets and providing naval gunfire support. For anti-submarine warfare, the destroyer carries a mix of torpedoes and anti-submarine rockets. These weapons can be deployed from torpedo tubes or rocket launchers, effectively targeting submerged submarines.